Hello children, welcome to 4th standard English. Today we are going to see one poem, Be Honest.
Children, do you know the relationship between mother and child is something special, but sometimes it can be hard to find the words to express those feelings. Positive relationships between parents and child are important for all areas of children's development. In this poem, Be Honest, mother and child relationship poem, let's learn this poem. Listen, children. First, I am going to read this poem. Amma will often say, Be honest all day. Amma will often say, Be honest all day. Still troubles make me fall. I want to be truthful to all. Amma will often say, Be honest every day. Amma will often say, Be honest every day. To say truth when I am wrong. I may have to be 18. To Amma, I often say, Don't you hear them lie? She says, Many may lies and go, but honesty will help us grow. Honesty will help us grow. At last, I have this to say. I don't lie to this day. The trick is the rhyme. Let's try this one day at a time. Okay, children, let's see first 4 line meanings. Amma will often say, Be honest all day. A child is telling, My mother always tell to me, Be honest, be honest. Still troubles make me fall. I want to be truthful to all. But some troubles make me wrong, make me fall. Okay, some troubles make me fall. But I want to be truth. I want to be truth. A child wants to be truth. Okay, let's see the second stanza. Amma will often say, Be honest every day. So, Amma regularly tell be honest every day. Tell be honest every day. Okay, to say truth when I am wrong. I may have to be 18. If I say true, I may have been 18. If I want to say truth, I may have been 18. Okay. Next stanza. To Amma, I often say, Don't you hear them lie? This time, a child tells to mother. Okay. What did a child tell? A child tells to mom, They are telling lie. They are telling lie. They are telling lie. But the mother say, Honesty only help us grow. So be honest, like that mother said. Okay. She says many may lies and go, but honesty will help us grow. What will help us grow? Honesty will help us grow. Okay. Let's see the last stanza. At last, I have this to say. I don't lie to this day. Finally, a child wants to say something. What is that? Still, I don't lie. Still, I don't lie. Do you know the reason? Because the trick is the rhyme. You also try this rhyme. One day you will be honest. What is the rhyme? The mother said the word no. Be honest. The rhyme is be honest. You should tell this word regularly. Be honest, be honest. It's an amazing word. It doesn't make you fall. Okay, children, you also try this rhyme. Be honest. Okay. Okay, children, let's learn rhyming words from this poem. Say day. Say day. Fall all. Fall all. Go grow. Go grow. Rhyme time. Rhyme time. Okay, children, let's see the meanings. Often, frequently, often, frequently. Troubles, difficulty or problem. Troubles, difficulty or problem. Lie, a false statement. Lie, a false statement. Grow, improve. Grow, improve. Trick, technique. Trick, technique. Let's see the exercise. Fill in the blanks. Dash will often say to be honest. Very good, children. Amma will often say to be honest. Okay, second one, we shouldn't dash ever. We shouldn't lie ever. Third one, many may lie and dash. Many may lie and go. Check your answers, children.
Thank you, children. We will meet in the next section.